Today we are going to discuss last of the topic of the continuity of class 12th, which is left. One of them is algebra of function, in which we are going to discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two functions. For example, let one of the function is given by sine of x and other function g of x is given by cos of x, and we have to apply limit at x tends to, we are taking here pi by 4 on f of x, and limit x tends to pi by 4 on g of x. If you see here, limit x tends to pi by 4, value of f of x is sine x, limit x tends to pi by 4, g of x is cos x. If we apply, we get sine pi by 4 means sine 45, which is given by 1 by square root 2. Here cos 45, 1 by square root 2. If we see, both the values are finite. We have discussed in first lecture, in type first, when the answer comes out finite, then the function are continuous. When we are getting like this, function is given by sine x plus cos x. We explain like this. Let this function is given by f of x. Here sine x and cos x are trigonometric function which are continuous on their domain. Domain word means the value of angle at which answer of these two functions comes out finite. So sum of two continuous function is also continuous at their common domain. Like this, we can prove other type of operations, subtraction, multiplication and division. But remember, in case of division, when we are having the case of like sine x divided by cos x, condition should be denominator cannot be 0. Like this we can prove algebra of functions. Next type we are going to do here composition of function. Like for example, we have given f of x is given by algebra and g of x is given by sine of x. Algebra, in case of composition of two functions, we are having two type, f of g and g of f. If you see, it can explain like this. We can break like this. First of all, g operate here. If we use the value of g of x is given by sine x. Now it is the turn of f function. Function is given, input becomes square of input. Input is sine x, so it becomes square of sine x, means it becomes sine square theta. In this case, g outside, f of x inside. F of x value is here x square. Now if you see here, g input become angle, so here angle become x square. These are two type of composition. First of all, we have to identify which type of two function are there. If it is like this, otherwise this, these are two type of functions. For example, we are having f of x is given by sine of x square. Here First function is sine of x, trigonometric function. Second is algebra. If you see here, sine is operated on last, that's why it become angle. So sine function means g comes on left hand side. Here g, h of x inside, g, h of x value x square, so it becomes sine of x square. We explain like this. Here g of x is a trigonometric function. Trigonometric function, and hx is a polynomial function which are continuous. So their composition f of x given by g of h, it is given by sine of x square, is also continuous. We explain like this. Composition of functions, there are many examples are there. We are just taking here one. If we discuss another one, if we see this function cos x modulus of x, if we see it is a group of two functions. One is a trigonometric function, other is a modulus function. So we have to choose here two functions, gx and hx. If we see here, modulus comes outside, so it should be on the left hand side of it. So it become h outside, g of x, h outside, g of x value is cos x, h function indicate modulus of value, so it become modulus of cos x. Like this we can identify the group of two functions. Last of the type we are discussing here, modulus of a function. As we have discussed, modulus value contain two parts, one as is, other negative of it. As is when inner part is greater than 0. It means x should be greater than 4. Equality hold in both, so we can use in any case. Other is x minus 4 less than 0, so we can say here x less than 4. Here if you see testing point is common point 4. So we apply here same left hand limit, right hand limit, limit x tends to 4 minus, limit x tends to 4 plus on the function. Let this is function f of x. Now we have to choose the values of function. It is less than 4 this case, so value of function comes out this one. X tends to 4 minus, f of x is this one, and for right hand limit we use this one, greater than 4 case this one. Now we have to use substitution method. So we use here putting in right plus h and in left minus h. As we use the limit, h tends to 0. So we get here limit h tends to 0, minus of 4 minus h minus 4. Overall we get from here only h. If we put h is equal to 0, 0 answer. Same if we simplify this side, x replaces by 4 plus h, we get only h. If we put h is equal to 0, it becomes 0. It means left hand limit, right hand limits are same. It means limit exists. Now we have to apply direct limit in the original function. This is known as value of function at x is equal to 4. If we use it, we get this one. If you see here, left hand limit 0, right is 0, direct is 0. If all are equal, that function is known as continuous function.